Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy A-Record with another video, and I'm doing how to listen to Air Max 1s because I just got these bitches in the mail. Matter of fact, yeah, this shit kind of nice. You feel me? Like, this shit kind of nice. I fuck with these shits, but go ahead, smash that like button, and I think it's something else that's missing. Oh yeah, abuse that subscribe button and go ahead and tap that bell for notifications. But let's get into the video. You need some Air Maxes and your fingers. It's the most easiest thing to do when you're lacing shoes up. Alright? Look at this. You gotta loosen these out. Let y'all see. But you know the vibes, you feel me? You know the vibes. You gotta see when I loose my shoes out and when I lace my shoes, I take the strings out of these, but for the video, I'm gonna just keep them in. I'm gonna still try to lace them up kind of smooth. Cause my shit really be like this, you heard me? My shit be like this. Like, I be having my shit like this. Like, I don't know if y'all fuck with this type of tie and shit, but I like my shit like this. But yeah, you know the vibes, man. But go ahead, make sure that shit be loose. And then you just gotta go ahead and put the string inside the hole. Look, gotta put that bitch inside the hole. You gotta make sure the shit loose now. You gotta make sure that shit loose. Low key loose. You feel me? You gotta make sure that shit loose. And then you gotta make sure that shit loose, you feel me? And that's what I do. I do this. I see how even it is. Wrap your finger around it. Phone had died, but I got that shit still going, you feel me? I'm about to go ahead and unloose this shit right here. But yeah, you just need your finger around it. Wrap your finger around it. Make sure it's even. Wrap your finger for the whole special knot that I be doing. And then you just get your finger right there. Pull through. But don't pull too hard now. Don't pull too hard. And you gotta make sure that should be even. Make sure that should be even. That shit's supposed to be more shorter, but I'm too busy trying to see. This how my shit usually look. This how mine usually look. I don't know if you can see it, bro. Oh yeah, you can see that shit. This how mine usually look.